Day 37 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. Day 37, guys, and we're still going. I don't see any sign of stopping soon. Do you? I hope not. So what I need you guys to do, don't forget to bring your mouse, bring it over here. Come over here, hit that like button. Hit that like button right here. I need everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to run those subscriptions up. I need you to drop a like and drop that bank emoji in the comments for all of my bankers out there. And yeah, let's see what question we have today. Today we have question number 2,390, removing stars from a string. The difficulty level is medium, but we're not going to let that stop us. We're going to still keep the answer and solution as simple as easy and as simple as possible to understand. So let's see what the question says. It says you are given a string S which contains stars. In one operation, you can choose a star in S, remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. Return the string after all stars have been removed. Note, the input will be generated such that the operation is always possible. It can be shown that the resulting string will always be unique. Okay, so as usual, that could be a little hard to understand. So let's look at the examples to see if they could help us figure out what it is exactly that they want us to do. First, we have example number 1. It says input S equals leet star star COD star E. Output LeetCode. So the explanation says performing the removals from the left to right, the closest character to the first star is T in LeetCode. S becomes LeetCode. So they removed the T because the closest character to the first star to the left was T. So they removed the T and the first star. So now we're left with, they removed these two. They removed the first star and the character to the left of the first star, which is this right here, the star and the T. Then that left us with this right here. This is what it looked like after. Excuse me. This is what it looked like after, because the T and the first star were gone. So then after we did that, after they did that, it said the closest character to the second star is E in LeetCode, so S becomes LeetCode. So in this example, we're doing the same thing. We're repeating the same thing over. So we have a star, the first star, and then we remove the letter to the left of the first star, which is E, and now that leaves us with this right here, the code. But there's still one more star right here that we have to handle, so we're going to come down here and do it one more time, and we're going to move the last star and the character to the left of it, which was D in that example, and that's going to leave us with this right here, the code. So that's how we got that in the first example. Let's look at this second example where it could be a little bit more difficult, or it would seem as such, but it's really not. So first thing, example 2, input S equals erase star 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 star. The output is a blank string. Explanation, the entire string is removed, so we return an empty string. So in this example, first thing we do, first star, remove it to the left, get rid of E. Second star right here, that's going to get rid of this, the S. Then the third star right here, going to get rid of this, the A. Then the fourth star right here is going to get rid of the R. Then the fifth star right here is going to get rid of the E, which is going to leave us with a blank string at the end. So now that we understand what the question is asking, that should help us when we're writing our code to understand what our code is doing. So let's get started with that and start writing our code. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to declare a variable. We're going to call it result. We'll set that equal to an array of character. Excuse me. Yeah, this code isn't that difficult to understand. And if you guys have been watching the videos up to this far, then you should be able to understand what's going on here. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to say for I comma item, then s dot enumerated. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say if item is equal to a star, then what we're going to do is we're going to say s dot remove last. Right? Excuse me, not s though, not s. Result. Result dot remove last, which is coming from this variable right here. So we're going to say result dot remove last. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say else result dot append item. We'll come down here and we're going to say return result. Actually, we got to turn it back into a string. So we're going to say return string result. Don't forget to turn the result back into a string because right now it's an array of characters and we need to turn it into a string. In order to do that, we write string, open up the parentheses, and put result inside. So let's run it and see. Okay, guys, it's accepted. Let's submit it and see what it says. Boom! 172 milliseconds beats 93.64% of users with Swift. It's not too bad. We could do better, but like I said, we're going to keep this example simple and easy so you guys can understand what's going on, because remember, we're all trying to learn. We're all trying to learn, and in order to learn, you need to know what's going on. And I thought this would be a good solution because we did a similar one in the past, so it will kind of reinforce how this enumeration works and things of that nature. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.